Hello everyone. In previous video, we have seen for loop, and now in this video we are going to cover one more type of loop, which is a while loop. A while loop in Python allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a condition is true. It continues to execute until the condition becomes false. The syntax looks like this: while, then condition, and then colon. Below to this you can have the code block to execute. Now I will explain you how it works. It will firstly check the condition. If it is true, the code block inside the loop is executed. If it is false, the loop is terminated and the program continues to executing the code that follows the loop. After executing the code block, the condition is checked again. If it is still true, code block is executed again, and this process repeats until the condition becomes false. So here is a simple example of while loop that prints numbers from 1 to 5. So number is equal to 1. It is a variable we are setting. Next thing is while loop condition, which is while number is less than or equal to 5 colon. Then you need to give some spaces and then print in bracket num, and then num plus or equal to 1. In the while loop condition, we are putting condition like number is less than or equal to 5 and then print number. It will display the first number, which is 1. In this example, number starts at 1. The loop continues as long as a number is less than or equal to 5. Inside the loop, number is printed and then it is incremented by 1. The output will look like this. We use two types of loops, for loops and while loops, which are similar but can be used in different ways.